and this is another barbecue ASMR video. I had so much fun making the Texas Twinkie video that I decided I would give it another shot. This time around, I'm going to be doing the smoked shotgun shells. You might be asking, Nikki, what is a smoked shotgun shell? Well, it's a little tube full of delicious goodness. Basically, take a manicotti noodle, cook it just until al dente, stuff it with the same meat mixture that you made the Texas Twinkies with, and then you wrap it in bacon and put it on your smoker at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. They're quick, they're easy, they're delicious, and they will be a hit at your next party, especially for the Super Bowl. Without further ado, let's make some smoked shotgun shells. You will need manicotti shells, spicy hot ground pork, thin sliced bacon, taco seasoning, cream cheese, shredded cheese of your choosing, hot sauce, and last but not least, onion bits. To begin, we're going to take our onion bits and dice them up into a nice small pile. This works out to about 1/4 of a cup. Next, we're going to take our diced onion and put it into the bowl and then start adding our other ingredients. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of the cream cheese, a quick dusting of taco seasoning, a pinch of our shredded queso cheese blend. Add in 1 pound of your spicy ground pork. Use about 1 tablespoon of your preferred hot sauce. We are now going to use our metal blender to mix the meat mixture until it is all smoothly incorporated. Next, fill a large pot with water and bring to a boil. Remove the shells from their box and boil them just before they're al dente. Remove from water and place into an ice bath to stop them from cooking. After your manicotti shells have cooled down from their bath, you're going to stuff them with the meat mixture. You want to stuff them real good, but also be gentle to not split the noodle by pushing too hard. And now with your stuffed manicotti shells, you're going to wrap them in the thin sliced bacon. It will take about 2 slices of the bacon to completely wrap the shell. Don't be afraid to stretch the bacon to cover as much of the shell as you can. You want to keep all that juicy goodness within the shell instead of leaking out when you cook it. After stuffing and wrapping, you're going to put them in the fridge to sit for a few hours or overnight. After letting them sit, you're going to put them onto your preheated grill at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to let them cook for 45 minutes. Pull them off when they look finished. After you have cooked them for 45 minutes, you're going to pull them off of the grill and bring them inside. You're going to normally let them sit for about 5 or 10 minutes, but I just went ahead and put the tinfoil tenting over it. After you put the tinfoil tent on, you're going to let it sit for another 10 minutes until it's ready. After letting it rest for 10 minutes, it's time to dig in. What you will immediately notice is I did not have the patience to wait the 10 minutes. When you cut it open, you will notice that the noodle has fully cooked all the way through. The meat has taken on a firm, cooked texture. The bacon is delightfully crispy and delicious. And now it's time to give yourself a pat on the back because you made the smoked shotgun shells. You are now ready to be the hostess with the mostess. Alright, that's how you make the smoked shotgun shells. Like I said, pretty easy. Noodle, meat, wrap in bacon, and put on the grill at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Let me know what you thought about this video. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe along to see more. And if you do subscribe, be sure to hit the bell button to be notified of all my latest videos. Thank you as always. I'm Nikki the Gamer, and I'll see you next time.